Every outbound dock has the same quiet risk, the right pallet on the wrong truck. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's expensive, and you find out too late. So we made it one motion. Scan the packing slip on a phone, a tablet, or a handheld, and Dock Optimizer takes you straight to the booking that freight belongs to. It reads the slip, or the bill of lading barcode, or a pallet label. There's the order. There's the carrier. No hunting through a list. Here's the part that earns its keep. If the freight's carrier doesn't match the truck the appointment is booked with, Dock Optimizer flags it right at the scan. It never blocks you. The person at the trailer knows more than the system does. And when the carriers match, it stays quiet. No false alarms, because a warning that cries wolf is one people learn to ignore. None of this is manual. It flows from the integration hub. Point a connector at the warehouse or transport system you already run, map the fields once, orders, references, pallets, and translate any odd carrier codes into standard ones with a small value map. Set it, and it keeps itself current. The same hub keeps your inventory honest. Real on-hand and available counts, straight from your warehouse system, refreshed on every sync. No spreadsheets, no end-of-day guessing. And getting someone started takes seconds. They pick the facilities they work at, and their calendar's ready. No waiting on an admin. Scan a pallet, land on the booking, catch the wrong truck before it leaves. And when you're ready, Dock Optimizer runs your whole transportation operation. Fleet, billing, and the numbers behind it. Connected to the systems you already run. Dock Optimizer, the freight network.